Iliagas. Oh, another miscue. It's a JC Marcelino. A couple of baskets already.
Easy back.
David Bebes earlier losing out. JC Marcelino and Adi Santos scoring on the other end, and this time JC playing the passing lane. RJ Delis to Naive. JC with a runner.
Scoring very easy against Bicol.
2.5 minutes gone by and 5 baskets immediately para sa Zamboanga Masters Sardines, forcing Bicol to call a timeout. Santos inside, lost it. JC Marcelino for 3. Yes.
And usually when you get an offensive rebound,
In high school or in college?
college
Okay,
na kami nag-abot.
JC Marcelino, another basket already with.
Pero parang hindi pa siya pinapawisan.
What I like about JC is that ang ng Zamboanga. Here's Terzo. Marcelino from the corner. Yes! 13 points for lamang dito. And they complete the steal. Terzo to JC Marcelino. 10-0. And 41 seconds remaining here in the second period. Casajeros gets trapped. Terzo quickly to JC Marcelino. And that's an easy bucket. And 55 to 36. Ating score, and 16 points, 3 assists, 4 steals. What a first half performance. But Marcelino read that. And JC will score. The worst quarter as well for Zamboanga scoring-wise. Marcelino, dire-derecho. And he's been unrelenting. Ito si just attacks at will.
23 big points para kay JC Marcelino.
It was quiet in the third.
Yeah, very quiet, but if you look at the scoreboard, I mean, look at the box scores.
To Kenneth Alas, JC Marcelino all day to shoot. Off to the left, Marcelino, Bumuelo, and he gets it to go this time.
26.
Mahari. JC Marcelino, umatake, JC again. It's either he's at the rim or he's taking open threes.
Grabe, ang galing, no?
89 to 68. 22 JC Marcelino knocking down another 3.
Pinag-uusapan nyo before the game ba?
Ayun, bigay lang namin yung best namin, yung energy namin para kumbaga yung mga kampi namin makita nila kung gaano ka yung energy namin para pagpasok ng teammate namin. Yun, mabigay din nila yung best nila para makatulong din sa team.
JC, bumati ka na lang. Batiin mo lahat ng gusto mo.
Yung binabati ko yung UCI Zamboanga, yung gumagawa ng mga sardinas, tsaka yung Sutherland, si Boss MD, si Boss Danny Espirito, yan.